Hello and welcome to this short video about Jaguar XK8 trim removal tools. This is video 86 in my series of XK8 videos. In this video I'm going to show you an example of trim removal tools that I purchased to actually remove my interior veneers. If you're watching this video, you're probably interested in Jaguar XK8s or Jaguar XKRs, X100s. If you are, might I suggest you subscribe to my channel by pressing the rectangular red subscribe button with subscribe written on it, clicking the bell to be reminded when videos are aired, and click the thumbs up if you like the video or thumbs down if you don't. And if you have any questions or comments, please ask them in the comment section below the video. Okay, so I've been using this rubber scraper sort of squeegee for years, and to be honest, it's showing its age and use. I've been watching some of John D's videos and he's got some decent trim tools, and I thought, Damien, go and buy yourself some decent kit. So I bought myself this simple plastic trim tool set on eBay, $6.95 I think. It's very simple. It comes with 5 tools in this little case, very convenient. And I'll just run through what the tools are. So we got what we call here is wide type remover. There you go, that's 160 millimeters long, roughly 65 millimeters wide. There you go, wide type remover. That's the first tool. The second one is the pull type remover. Obviously it's got a big ring on the end. I assume that's for you to get a grip with and give whatever it is a good pull to get off. That's roughly 180 millimeters long. The end is 40 mil. So there you go. Pull remover. Got this sort of dog leg handy remover. This is a bit longer again, 210. So dog legged, and that again is 30 millimeter wide. They've all got like a cutout end to get behind fasteners. What we have here, upholstery clip remover. This again is 220 long millimeters, quite narrow this one, 20 mil with a sharp end on one end. And then the final one, we have narrow type remover, very similar to the other one, 190 millimeters long, again 20 millimeters wide, narrow type remover. There you go. So five tools in the set in a nice handy bag. So by Cobra Tools Limited. It's obviously made in China, to be honest, cheap and cheerful, but it all wraps up. Nice little bundle. Hopefully I won't lose them. I'll try and keep my tools very tidy if I can. There you go. Very simple plastic tool set. Now, there are cheaper sets on the market. I had a look on eBay and you can buy 4 tools for as little as £3.75. Doesn't come with a bag or anything. I don't think they're quite as good, but who knows. And there are more complicated sets. This was quite impressed with this set. Again, it comes in a bag. You've got, looks like got all the 5 tools I've got plus more, and even some metal tools which look very robust. Probably break a lot of plastic with those if you're not careful. Again, that's a more complicated set. That's you're going up to about £13, £18, £13, £14 on eBay for a more complicated set. They're very, very handy for removing trim, poking wires behind stuff, you name it. Because they're plastic, it's hopefully not going to damage your plastics, and therefore it's safer to use and remove trim. I'm going to use these tools in the coming weeks to swap over all my veneers. I've done it once before, but I'm going to use these tools to do it again, and I'll hopefully, if you stay tuned to the videos, you'll change all the veneers back from this plastic wrap carbon fibre look back to the wood veneer. Thank you very much for watching. If you're interested in some trims tools, you might want to take a look at something like those I've shown you. Thanks again for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe if you'd like to see more XK8 videos.